C.
Okay. Richard also read. Richard, I'll give you the chance for second question. Okay. The first question, Eric Jera has read the first question. Okay. From you can find four islands you can find, right? So from that, which island are located in Arabian Sea? Tell me the answer.
Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island.
Lakshadweep Island. Yes. Lakshadweep. Put a tick on Lakshadweep. Put a tick on Lakshadweep Island. Put a tick on Lakshadweep Island.
Now only my network problem.
Okay, Nandini, no problem. Take your social book, page number 52. Okay, we have just started to write the book pack exercise. Okay, the first answer for fill up, choose the correct answer is Lakshadweep Island. Okay, now look at the B1. Look at the B1. The southern part of India. Which is the southern part of India? Plateau, Peninsula, Plain, Mountain. Which is the southern part of India? Plateau. Put a tick on Plateau. Put a tick on Plateau. Put a tick on Plateau. For B1, put a tick on Plateau. First one answer. Okay, first one answer is Lakshadweep Island, and for second one the answer is Plateau. Okay. Now look at the third one. Name the sea that is located along the west coast of India. Name the sea that is located on the west coast of India.
Arabian Sea.
Arabian Sea. Put a tick on Arabian Sea. Put a tick on Arabian Sea. Richard, are you doing, Richard?
I'm doing. And can I read the D question?
Yes, read.
Which part of Asia is India located?
So in which part?
Southern.
Southern. It's not southern. You should say it as southern. Okay. You should not say it as southern. You should say it as southern. Okay. Just put a tick on southern. SUTHERN. Southern. Okay. The first one. I'll tell you the answer again. Okay. The first one is Lakshadweep Island. The second one is Plateau. The third one is fourth one is southern. Have you marked?
The second one.
Again, I'll tell you. First one is Lakshadweep. Second one is Plateau. Third one is Arabian Sea. Fourth one is southern. Yes, in sea. Have you done in sea?
And I have completed.
Okay. Yes. Listen, again I will repeat, okay? Again, one more time I'll repeat. So those who did not mark it, mark it. Again, I will repeat one more time, okay? First one is Lakshadweep Island. B1 is Plateau. C1 is Arabian Sea. Fourth one is Southern. One is Southern. Okay. Now look at the Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. Look at Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. Thiruvalluvar, nicely sitting. Are you writing Thiruvalluvar? Okay, Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. Thiruvalluvar, read the question for the first one, Thiruvalluvar. Read the question. Thiruvalluvar.
What page?
Page number 53. Uday Karthik, read Uday Karthik.
That Ma'am, Deccan.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very good.
Deccan.
Very
Ma'am,
good, Eric
Deccan.
Zero. Very good, Eric Zero. Very good. So another name for Peninsula Plateau is Deccan Plateau. Okay. So all of you write there Deccan Plateau in the dash. You can see the dash, right? Roman letter 2. Okay, form Roman letter 2. A1. A1. Okay, the answer is Deccan Plateau. DECCAN. Now look at the B1. Look at the B1. The Thar Desert lies in the dash part of India. Which part of India?
Northwestern. Rajasthan. Rajasthan. Rajasthan.
Northwestern. Okay, which part? Okay, which part it is located? It is located in northwestern. Okay, look at the C1. The dash is the highest peak in the world.
Mount Everest. Mount Everest.
Everest. Very good. Mount Everest. Everest, not Everest. Mount Everest. Now look at the D1. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
In the B, ma'am, in the B option, we should write the north and western.
Yes, northwestern. The Thar Desert lies in the northwestern.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then
Union
Union territory ground by dash government. Which government?
Central government. Central government.
Very good. Central government. So everyone has written. Everyone has written. Yes. Yes, Priscilla. Roy, have you completed, Roy? Completed. Okay. What about Richard?
Ma'am, I finished the third Roman letter itself, ma'am.
Very good, Richard.
Because I know the answers for it.
Okay. Can you read the question? The third Roman letter. Can you read the question?
Read.
Read.
There are 28 union.
Is the answer correct? 28 state and 5 union territories. Is the answer correct?
False.
Saying correctly. Answer false. Put F. Yes, put F. Yes, put F. Okay. Uday Karthik.
Union territory UP is governed by the central government.
Is the union territory governed by the central government?
True.
Yes, it is governed by central government. True. Capital T. True. Very good. Now Abdul Musawir will read the third question. Abdul Musawir.
Himalayan ranges are the highest mountain ranges in the world.
Is that correct?
True.
Yes, very good. Now look at the D1. Okay, now listen. Okay, listen. India is the 7th largest country or 7th populated country? India is the 7th largest country and populated wise it is second. Okay, in population wise it is second. So here the question is asked, India is the 7th largest country in the world by population. It's true or false? False. It is false. Not right, Aslam Khan. Tanishka, have you written Tanishka? Srinivasan, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Mohammed Safan, Siona, are you writing? Okay. So shall we move to the next one? Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Yes. Match the column. So shall we move to the match the column? Everyone completed till here?
No. I'm drinking water.
Oh, Thiruvalluvar, you want to drink water? I am talking and you are feeling thirsty. Go drink fast and come. Aslam Khan, have you completed Aslam Khan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then shall we continue to the next one, fourth one. Roman letter 4. Okay, Roman letter 4. Okay, tell me the coastal plain. What is the answer to the coastal plain? Coastal plain, northern. Yes, northern strips. Yes. Yes, narrow strips of plains along east and west. Yes, so mark 2, 3. Match it A from 3. Match it A from 3. Match it A from 3. Okay, now look at the B1. The greatest Indian desert. The great Indian desert. Which is the great Indian desert? The answer is 5. Match it to 5. Roman letter 5. C1. Okay, Great Plain. What about Great Plain?
Second one,
Most fertile plain that lies below the Himalayas. Very good. So the another name for Great Plain, what is the another name for Great Plains?
Indo-Gangetic Plain.
Yes, very good. Indo-Gangetic Plain. Very good. Alvin. Okay, move to the D1. India. India, what is the answer?
Seventh.
Seventh largest country by size. Match it to the first one. Match it to the first one. Thiruvalluvar, are you back, Thiruvalluvar? Okay, now write. Now look at the E1. E1. Island. Island. What is island? A small area that is surrounded by water. A piece of a land surrounded by water. Match it to fourth one.
Fourth one.
Yes, fourth one. Those who are writing, please write. Meanwhile, I'll just take your attendance, okay?
I cannot see the fifth one.
Fifth one,
Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, I finished.
those who completed? Very good. Just hold on, okay? Just wait. Just wait. I'll take your attendance. Those who completed, very good. Just wait. I'll just take your attendance. Only 1 minute. So have you all completed?
Ma'am.
Yes.
No. Ma'am, I completed. Ma'am.
Yes, Thiruvalluvar, tell me.
Fourth lemon letter, last line I cannot see.
Where you cannot not see in the screen, in whiteboard you cannot not see. I cannot
yes,
see.
ma'am.
For
It
fourth
is
Roman
very
letter,
down.
wait, I'll
very
raise it up. Wait, I'll raise it up. Inci, don't scribble, Inci. Wait, I'll raise it up. Now can you see?
That is a scribble now.
Now can you see?
No.
Now can you see? Okay, then you match to number I'm saying, okay? For A, you match it with 3.
Okay.
For B, you match it with 5.
Green in color.
C with 2. C with 2. C with 2.
Okay.
D with 1. D with 1.
D with 1. Okay.
And fifth one, E with 4. E with 4.
4. Okay, ma'am.
Completed at Thiruvalluvar?
4. Okay.
Very good. Okay, now turn to the next page, children. All of you take page number.
I don't know.
What you don't know?
That is going to finish or not finish?
No, only one Roman letter is there. No, after that it will get over. Okay.
I don't know.
What you don't know, Aslam Khan?
Fourth one, ma'am.
Fourth one. Listen. For A, you match it with 3.
I want to tell you one.
Tell me. 1 minute, okay? 1 minute.
Ma'am, the bottle is also there, no, ma'am.
1 minute, Thiruvalluvar, 1 minute. Aslam Khan has not yet written, okay? Just 1 minute. Aslam Khan, have you completed A with 3?
No, ma'am.
A with 3. Match it A with 3. Okay. B with 5. B with 5. Fast. Be little fast. Hey, you're sharpening now, Aslam Khan.
That only I also.
You tell me, Thiruvalluvar, what you want to tell? You want to tell something? No, tell me.
And the plastic bottle is there, no, ma'am. I used to do that the pencil box.
You did, very good. Show me, let me see.
Down.
Okay, next class you bring. Tomorrow. Tomorrow you bring it, okay? I'll see.
And we wanted the bottle, how we want to cut, ma'am. That's also, ma'am.
And you not right and put the 5th lesson question.
Okay, Aslam Khan, have you finished, Aslam Khan? All others are waiting only for you. Have you completed?
Ma'am, 5th lesson question answers you not right and put, ma'am.
5th lesson, 5th lesson question answers ma'am has not given,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Life of early men, in all subject note you have not written?
No, ma'am. Fill-ups only we have.
In book only you have written the exercise,
Oh, ma'am. In all subject not only new words and fill-ups only.
Just 1 minute, okay? 1 minute. Okay, for lesson, for life of early man, in all subject note, you have written only the fill in the blanks, yes? So, ma'am has not given you the... Okay, she has not given the question answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will give you in the next class, okay? So, next
Okay,
class,
ma'am.
I will give you the question answer for life of early man as well as that landforms, okay? 6th lesson question answers I will give you. Okay, now shall we move to the
Ma'am.
next one? Ah,
Ma'am,
yes.
photo when sharing you the bottle.
Okay,
Bottle
okay,
pencil.
okay. Okay, Thiruvalluvar. Now all of you take page number 54. 54, page number 54. Have you taken, Tanishka?
Ma'am, I've already taken it.
Take it, Richard.
Yes,
Richard will
ma'am.
tell me the answer for the first one. Okay, you already have taken no, so you will be telling the answer for the first one. A piece of a land surrounded by water on three sides.
Peninsula.
What's the answer?
Peninsula.
Peninsula. Very good. Very good. Very good. So all of you write peninsula. Wait, I'll just write the spelling here. Okay. For Roman letter 5, answer for the first one is A. Answer is peninsula. Peninsula. Okay, have you written?
Yeah.
Okay, now look at the B one. Arik Zero, read the question, Arik Zero.
The most fertile land in India.
Tell me the answer. Which is the most fertile land in India? Yes, Indo-Gangetic plain also we can say. You can say what? Great Plain. Another name for Indo-Gangetic is Great. Okay, you can write Great Plains. C1. The island. Okay, Jocelyn Nandini, read the C1, Jocelyn Nandini.
Great Plain.
The island that are located in the Bay of Bengal.
Bengal. Okay.
Andaman, Nicobar, and Nicobar.
Very good. Andaman and Nicobar. Very good. All of you write this. Andaman and Nicobar. And Nicobar. Okay, first it is a name of a place, right? So it is a name of an island. So you should write in capital letter. B1. Our national capital. Which is the national capital?
New Delhi, New Delhi, New Delhi, New Delhi.
Delhi. Everyone completed?
No, ma'am.
So write neatly. So listen, children. Listen, children, listen. So in WhatsApp group, okay. So in WhatsApp group, I will send you the map of India, okay. India's political map I will send you, okay, as a PDF, okay. As a PDF, I will send you in WhatsApp group. What you are going to do? Hey, who is that? Thiruvalluvar, is that you? Roy, right? Roy only is making that sound. Okay, children, listen. I'll show you the screen again. Before that, you listen to what I say. So in WhatsApp group, I will send you the political map of India, okay? As a PDF format, I will send you. What you are going to do, you are going to mark the places which is mentioned in page number 54, okay? In page number 54, you can see, no, this activity is there, right? Yes or no? Yes? In page number 54, you can see that activity. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Star desert. Yes, there are different places. So that you are going to mark, okay? You are going to identify the place and you are going to mark the name in the map. Okay, are you clear? Yes? Yes or no? Only Abdul Musabir. What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, children. So I will send you in the WhatsApp group the political map of India. Okay, now listen. Today evening you are having your Tamil UT. Okay, you are having your Tamil UT in my class campus. Okay, in my class campus you will be having your Tamil UT. The Tamil ma'am has sent the portion on Saturday itself. So all of you go through that, attend the test. Okay, and only Only your Tamil will be in My Class Campus. Remaining all other subject you will attend in Fliplan only. Okay? Okay, children. So see you in the next class. Have a nice day. Tamil lesson as Tamil ma'am has mentioned in the WhatsApp group. You can check that. Okay.
Science
Thank you.
portion. Science portion.
Science portion I have sent it in the WhatsApp group. All the timetable as well as portion I have sent it in the WhatsApp. Social also. Yes, all I have sent. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am. I'm in the class.